it's Cerise here, and for today's video I'm going to be showing this stuff off. So I'm going to get this because my hair, this is like it in its like natural form, but it's just not orange enough, do you know what I mean? So I'm going to add some of this in and see if it works well. It's not meant to be used on like darker shades, but because I'm a natural redhead, I'm hoping it's just going to bring it to life. I got 2 packs here. They were $12.50 from Woolworths. So let's try them. I'm not going to dye it in the car, but I wanted to like show you the natural color in the light, because the best like light that's like here. So it says quick and easy to apply, ready to use without mixing, shampoo and towel dry hair, apply color and leave on for 5 to 30 minutes depending on desired color result, rinse thoroughly and style as usual. So it says to wear like put it on with your hair being damp. I find it doesn't work because my hair just drinks liquid, so I'm not going to do that. Because I have used this stuff before, so if it doesn't work as well, it could be because of that. So I might end up eating my words. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, so it says medium brown, subtle result of radiant shine, but I'm like a dark copper, so we'll see. It's got the color mask and instruction leaflets, and it doesn't dye or anything like that. It's just the color. So let's get into a bathroom. Let's do it. So as for smell wise, it smells pretty good. I think it's gonna come out in like a paste. Yeah, so it's coming out like a dark copper paste, like that. So let's just kind of put it in and just kind of see what happens. So I ended up using my hands, probably a bad idea, with my fresh manicure, but I managed to just use one because it's just that top layer up here. I didn't do these like a tiny bit in there. I didn't do because I didn't really bother about it because it's just underneath my hair, but I have put it on, so we'll kind of see what happens, see what it looks like. Now we're just gonna wait. I don't know how long it says to wait. The gloves are shit, so I definitely would recommend using other gloves because I ended up using my freaking hands, which is a no-go, and it's hard to squeeze out. But the squeezy bottle, it's like okay to use. Yeah, 5 to 30 minutes you need to leave it on for, so we'll see. Hopefully my hands aren't too stained. So I washed off my hands a little bit. It's still kind of a bit of residue, but it's fine. So we'll just kind of leave my hair for a bit and just see what happens. Yeah, that's okay. So look at it. I'm like, I don't know if you can see, but you can see it's so much more redder than what it was. I love it. I think it's so good. It's not like lighter, it's just that tone is just so gorgeous. I'm like obsessed. Look at it. She's definitely way more tinged, as you can see there. Like it's not as brown. She has got an auburn tinge. So I think what I would have done differently is with the packet. So this is my unopened one because I ended up getting 2 and only used 1. With this in here, I think I would tip that out and put that into like a bowl to make it easier because I feel like I wasted a lot of product, but I just had it sitting on for half an hour. I feel like if I had it sitting on for a little bit longer, it definitely would have taken a little bit better. But in the sun is really nice and bright and orange. Obviously, I know I wasn't going to get this shade here. I just wanted to have it as more of a ginger tinge in it, so it wasn't so brown tone. Like it was a very cool toned brown. So now it's got the ginger back to it. So it's definitely much more ready toned. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. It's not a huge difference, but I just wanted it as a top up. This doesn't involve bleach or anything like that. I just wanted to more get the tones into my hair. What am I even saying? But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Do you guys think it was worth it? Do you guys think it was good? I liked it. I think it's great. And I'm glad I have another one because I can top it up again. It's meant to last 12 washes, so we'll see. It really was not coming out. Like I was washing it out, my hair was still dripping orange, so really glad. But I wanted to wait till the next day so it was nice and dry so you guys could see the full effect that's in it. And you can see there's different like colors at the end of that from where I've obviously put bleach in. But yeah, it definitely has the orange effect, which is what we wanted. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. I was just looking at footage and it doesn't give it justice about like how orange it is. Like it really is so much more orange. You can't really tell in the video, but like it really is.